Have you ever pulled up to a drive-thru, heard the speaker turn on, and suddenly felt your heart beat faster? You know what food you want, but the questions come quickly, and everything feels rushed.
Drive-thrus are hard because you don't see the person, the audio isn't always clear, and you feel pressure from the cars behind you.
I'm Anna. In this video, you'll hear a full, natural drive-thru conversation in clear American English. You'll learn how to order step by step, how to answer common questions, and how to stay calm even if you miss something.
And I'm Leo. Let's get started. Hi there, welcome to Burger Spot. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, I'll have the classic cheeseburger combo, please.
All right, what size would you like for the combo?
Medium is fine.
Got it. And what would you like to drink?
A Coke, no ice.
Regular or diet?
Regular, please.
Okay, a regular Coke with no ice. Anything else for you today?
Yes, I'd also like a 6-piece chicken nuggets.
Sure. Would you like a sauce with that?
Barbecue sauce, please.
No problem. Anything else?
Let me think for a second. Yeah, can I add a small side salad?
Of course. What kind of dressing would you like?
Ranch is good.
All right, I've added that. So just to make sure I've got everything right, one classic cheeseburger combo with medium fries, a regular Coke with no ice, a 6-piece nuggets with barbecue sauce, and a small side salad with ranch. Does that look correct?
That's correct.
Perfect. Your total comes to $12.48. You can pull forward to the first window.
Sounds good.
Hi there. How would you like to pay today? Cash or card?
Card, please.
Go ahead and insert or tap it when you're ready.
Okay,
All right, you're all set. You can pull ahead to the next window.
thank you.
Hi there. We're just finishing your order. It'll be one moment.
No problem.
Before I hand this out, would you like ketchup or any extra sauces?
Yes, ketchup would be great.
No problem. I'll add that. All right, here we go. This bag has the cheeseburger and fries. The nuggets and salad are in the smaller bag.
Okay,
Your drink is in the carrier. Just be careful, it's pretty full.
got it.
And your receipt is in the bag.
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Sure, your receipt is in the bag.
Oh, okay, thanks.
All right, that should be everything.
Great.
Enjoy your meal.
Thanks, have a good one.
You too. That conversation moved pretty quickly, but everything followed a clear pattern.
Yeah, once you know what questions to expect, it feels much easier.
Most of the time, you're just choosing options: size, drink, payment.
And even when something wasn't clear, it wasn't a big problem.
Exactly. Asking once and moving on keeps the conversation natural.
You don't need perfect English, just enough to keep things flowing.
That's what real-life English sounds like.
If you can understand this conversation, you can order at a real drive-thru in English.
Practice listening, practice answering out loud, and trust the process.
Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep practicing with us.
See you in the next conversation.